What's up guys, Brent here with Dust to Glory Pressure Washing. Today we're doing a roof wash and a house wash. We got a metal roof and we have vinyl siding. So I'm going to take y'all along during the day, kind of see our process, how we do things, and let you see some before and after. So hope y'all enjoy the video. So right now we got the water filling up. We got our SH right here. Got our soft wash system right here. As you can see, we have dirty vinyl. So that's just dirt. We're gonna get all this clean up here. And look at this algae on the gutters. We're gonna get all that off as well. So we're letting the water fill up. We're looking at kind of like our where the gutters go. So we're spraying a chemical, so you always have to be cautious of where that chemical comes out. You don't want it to pool in a certain area and potentially kill grass or anything like that. So the first thing that we do on house washing and roof washing is we wet everything down. We get the plants wet, the grass wet. You can see right here, this pipe right here is where the gutters come out. So we're gonna make sure that we hit all that. You can see we have a lot of dirt and algae and stuff like that on the back right here. I'll show you. So all this stuff is gonna come off really easy. This side, same thing. I'm gonna take you down here and show you, because this is gonna be a good before and after right here. All that right there is gonna come right off. So if you have algae, mold, stuff like that on your house or on your roof, if you have those black streaks, like I'll show you in another video, if you have those black streaks, they're called Glioxapsum magma. It's an algae that's growing on your roof. It can be a metal roof, a tile roof, or a shingle roof. You'll really see it on shingles and tile mainly. It's a little bit harder to spot on metal. We can get that stuff out, so if you want us to come out and quote your property, we do house washing, roof washing, gutter clean out. We do commercial buildings as well. You can give us a call. I'm the owner, Brent Nelson. Or you can go to our Facebook page or our website and shoot us a message or an email, and we can get out to your property and give you a quote. All the estimates are free. We'll come out, get you a quote, and we'd love to make your property look new again. So I'm gonna set the camera up, kind of start the process and show you what we do. Hope y'all enjoy. Here's the finished product. All the algae gone. Looks fantastic. Well guys, we are finished. We're wrapping up right now. Getting the hoses wound up. Everything turned out great. Like I said before guys, let me get out of the wind. If y'all have a house or a commercial building where you have a dirty roof or a dirty building, then give us a call. We will come out, do a free estimate, and we'll leave your house looking brand new. I mean, golly, this thing is like sparkling clean. We did the roof today and the house. The whole exterior of this property got washed today. All low pressure. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is Brent Nelson with Dust to Glory Pressure Washing.